right, today we're going to break down a piece of tech that is absolutely changing the game for artificial intelligence. It's called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG for short, and it's making custom AI way more powerful and, believe it or not, a whole lot cheaper. So let's just start with a really big question. What if you could take one of those super powerful general AI models and teach it everything about your specific business, all your private data, the latest research in your field, without spending a fortune and waiting months to do it? Well, that's exactly the promise we're going to unpack today. For the longest time, you basically had two options. On one side, you've got the traditional method, retraining these gigantic models from the ground up. It's powerful, for sure, but it is incredibly expensive. And on the other side, you've got this new, much smarter approach called RAG. To really get why RAG is such a big deal, we first have to talk about the huge problem it was built to solve. The challenge really comes down to these things called foundation models, the huge AIs trained on a massive but very general slice of the internet. See, the old way to get these models up to speed on new stuff was to just retrain them. But as you can see here, that process is, and I quote, computationally expensive and time-consuming. And we're not kidding. We're talking about needing massive clusters of GPUs running for weeks with budgets that can easily soar into the hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars. That's just not realistic for most companies. And this is where our hero, RAG, enters the scene. It's just a totally elegant and much more economical way to get around that heavyweight retraining process. It's a complete mindset shift on how we keep AI models current. So what is RAG exactly? Well, at its core, it's a framework that lets you feed new, specific knowledge to an AI on the fly, right when it needs it. It doesn't actually change the core model at all. It just gives it the right info at the right time, completely skipping that entire expensive retraining step. These really are the magic words here, without retraining. Seriously, this one innovation is what makes the whole system so much more flexible, efficient, and affordable. It basically separates the AI's brain from the library of information it needs to access. Okay, so let's dig into that first massive transformation. The cost. This is without a doubt RAG's biggest and most immediate impact, and it's what's finally opening the door for so many more people to actually use this kind of technology. I mean, just look at this traditional workflow. You've got to pick a model, gather all your new data, then kick off this massive resource-hungry retraining job, and then deploy a whole new version of the model. And the crazy part? Every single time your data changes in a big way, you have to do it all over again. RAG just tosses all of that complexity right out the window with this one simple idea: dynamic knowledge injection. So instead of a project that takes months, the AI can pull from a new document or a database instantly. Think of it like this. It's the difference between having to reprint an entire encyclopedia every week versus just adding a new page. It's that much simpler. So the bottom line is all about the financial impact. When you get rid of those retraining cycles, you slash your infrastructure needs, and you dramatically lower the cost of keeping your AI current. And we're not talking about small savings here. For a lot of applications, this can cut ongoing costs by over 90%. That is an absolute game changer for the budget. And when you solve the cost problem, something really amazing happens. You solve the accessibility problem. All of a sudden, a small online shop can have a customer service bot that knows its entire product catalog instantly. A local law firm can have an AI assistant that knows all its case law. This tech isn't just for the big tech giants anymore. Now this slide, this is interesting because it really shows you the problem of an AI going stale. A traditionally trained model is just a snapshot in time. As soon as the world changes, it becomes outdated. But a RAG-powered model, it stays current because its source of knowledge is alive and constantly updated. And that right there, that's the secret sauce. RAG can connect an AI to things like your company's latest sales numbers, live news feeds, or updated research databases. It makes sure the AI's answers aren't just smart, but also relevant and timely. This flexibility and lower cost means you can actually scale AI across your entire organization. It's not this one single giant project anymore. You can have specialized AI assistants for your sales team, your legal department, your engineers, all running efficiently off the same foundation. And it's not just a win for the business side. RAG is a huge deal for the developers who are actually building these tools. They get pinpoint control over exactly what information the AI is using, which makes the whole system way more reliable and a lot easier to manage as it grows. All right, let's bring it all home and see how this all comes together. We're not just talking about a minor update to AI here. We are talking about a fundamental shift in how we're going to be building with this technology from now on. So the key takeaway is really this. When you put them head to head, the advantages are just crystal clear. RAG is more cost-effective, it keeps the AI's knowledge fresh, and it's way, way more scalable. It's a clear winner on every single key metric. And that just leaves us with one last, really exciting question. Now that all these barriers are coming down, and powerful custom AI is faster, cheaper, and more connected to the real world than ever before, what incredible new things are we all going to build with it?